What's that?
Hello Kitty.
I think that there's a lot more in there besides just Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty. Open it, Hello Kitty. I can't open it.
Do you need some help?
Yeah. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
Did you get it? It's Hello Kitty. Candy.
Candy, Hello Kitty.
Alright, you know what might be fun?
Yeah.
Turn that stocking upside down and dump it out.
Oh, maybe you can't. You might need to use your hands. Mom, that is so much candy. Wow. Santa filled it all the way up to the top.
I'm ready for another one.
Well, you gotta see what's in this one first. It's so much fun.
Why don't you open one of those presents?
I bet that does hurt. Why don't you open one of your presents for Santa?
Who is this from?
They're all from Santa Claus.
Thank you.
You are just silly. You haven't even had anything
No
today.
kidding. Alright, well, let's open one of those other gifts. Let's find out what else Santa brought you.
I know what's in here.
You do?
Dora. It's a Dora thing.
Oh, it's Dora Dominoes. Oh, that's fun.
How am I gonna open it?
I'll work on opening it. Maybe you should look at the other present.
Yeah. Open another present.
Another one.
Oh, girl. Ooh, what is that one? Who's on that one?
Bell.
You have Bell candy too?
Okay, I'll how to open it.
Okay.
Another ribbon. Who's that from? It's from Santa.
I think so.
You know what that means?
Let me
and
see.
Look, that one's Bell too.
Let me see. Show them to me. Show them to me.
He had a Bell bracelet and necklace and some more new bracelets. How fun! Here, I opened this one for you. Here, turn around so Daddy can see what you're doing.
What is that? Oh. Mmm.
Okay, it looks like you have one present left from Santa. Can you find it amid all of the wrapping paper?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you. What is that?
Let me see. Oh boy. Oh boy, is that what I think it is?
Push the blue button, see what happens. Do you know what it is, Maddie?
Another flashlight.
That one's a princess flashlight. It's just for you.
When you go camping, you can take that. Put it by your bed.
Will you get this out?
Yes, I'd be happy to. That's Santa. He just knows everything. If I do say so.
Maybe we should say, thank you, Santa. Wherever he is, I'm sure he's very tired right now. Hey, Madison,
Got it. Got this thing open.
What?
can we say, thank you, Santa?
Thank you, Dad.
Gingerbread heard you. I bet he'll tell him tonight.